What's up, everybody? This is Cack and Balls here. Got another old school Fosgate purchase today that came in the mail. As you can kind of see, it's a little boogered up box wise. I don't know if that was before or after or who did it or what, but let's open her up and take a look here. So just to kind of give a spoiler, I guess you can say, ended up buying a set of MTX Black Gold component speakers from a gentleman. He had mentioned to me that he had some Rockford Fosgate speakers that I had never seen before. And he said, would you be interested in buying them? I says, you bet. So, I've never seen them. So I figured, what the heck, I'll go ahead and pick them up. So basically, hopefully they're not too boogered up here. Let me move these out of the way. They're heavy, I can tell you that. Alright, let me make sure these are in the shot here. There you go. So we'll start with this one. Any ideas? Any guesses? It's an 8-inch speaker. Rockford Fosgate. Kind of on the heavy side. Lots of tape. Alright, get your guesses in. You ready? Some 8-inch punch power speakers. So there's that one. Gonna go ahead and open this one up. Now, they do have a lot of spider sag to them. The gentleman that I got them from actually said the spiders were collapsed. Now, everybody has a different opinion and a different definition as to what the term collapse would be, or different opinions on the severity of the spider and whatnot. Take these apart. So from the research that I've kind of done on them, they're the 8-inch Power Series subs. They are Kevlar cone. Boop. These are pretty used. Oh yeah, these are boop, sunk down pretty bad. So let's see if we can get a better shot here trying to hold this. Well, we'll go over the speaker first. So Kevlar cone. This feels, I think it's a rubber surround. It's kind of a canvasy feeling surround on it. It's got foam on the back from the previous, just got stuck together, previous owner. Here's the backs. Let's see if we can get the model number in there. That one's a 408. That one's 408. Let's check out this one. Boop. Yeah, I make sound effects now. So, let me see if I can do this. I'll prop this up against this one. Grab a flashlight here. It is pretty much gone. It's sunk down quite a bit. So probably not worth getting them fixed. I don't even know exactly how somebody would necessarily go about getting them fixed. with the cones and stuff. I don't know if it's even going to be worth it to get them fixed, but for what I paid, relatively hardly nothing. It's just one of those collectible things. So I don't know. I may pass them off, may trade them out to somebody else, or I've seen a hack out there where people have taken, water and sprayed the spider on it and used the heat gun and tried to bring it back to life and whatnot. So maybe I'll run some power to them and see what happens. What's the worst case scenario? They're going to blow? Ooh. So they'd have to be redone anyway, right? So that's it. Got some old the Punch Power 8-inch speakers here. Hope you like watching videos, unboxing videos. Like I said in previous videos and whatnot, I always try to end up making a video of anything that I get that's new or anything that might pique some interest and stuff. I know there's a whole lot of Rockford Fosgate videos out there with people that have, oh, this is my stereo system and stuff like that, but there's not really a whole lot of videos where people show off the actual items and kind of show what's there. So that's what I'm trying to do with my videos. Basically giving people a taste of, hey, this is what these things look like. And maybe if you come across one and you're like, hey, there's this guy on YouTube that has a video and I can look and see what it's supposed to look like, then maybe that'll help you guys out in the future. So either way, it's cold out here, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up. So as always, if you like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you don't like it, then don't like it. Tell a friend, tell an enemy. Either way. So have a good one. Stay warm.